In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Calendly with Google Forms. By the end, you'll have a clean, clickable Calendly link inside your form so respondents can book time with you right after they submit their details. We'll keep it simple and focused, and I'll share quick tips along the way to make everything clear. First, open Calendly and choose the event you want people to schedule. This could be a discovery call, an interview slot, or any meeting type you've already set up. Make sure you select the specific event type you plan to share, not your general availability page. Take a quick moment to confirm that the event's duration, time zone, and availability windows are what you want, since this is exactly what your respondents will see when they click through. Next, on that event's page, find the option to copy its shareable link. It's usually labeled Copy Link or something similar, and is easy to spot near the event title. When you click it, Calendly places the booking URL on your clipboard. That's the link we'll place inside your form so people can schedule in just one click. Now switch over to Google Forms and open the form you want to enhance. Make sure you're in editing mode so you can add and organize content. If you manage multiple forms, double check the title at the top so you're working on the correct one. In the form editor, add a new section. Look for the Add Section button on the floating toolbar. The icon looks like two stacked rectangles. Adding a section creates a clear divider, which helps keep your questions separate from the booking step. It also improves the flow, guiding respondents from providing information to scheduling time. Give this new section a straightforward title. Name it Calendly, so it's easy for you and your respondents to recognize. A clear, simple label reduces confusion and sets the expectation that this is where scheduling happens. In the section's description area, paste the Calendly link you copied. Google Forms will automatically turn it into a clickable link when the form is viewed. For clarity, you can add a short sentence before the URL, such as use the link below to book your time, so people know exactly what to do. When respondents reach this section, they can click the link, pick a time, and complete the booking without hunting for instructions. That's it. You've connected your Calendly event to your Google form with a dedicated section and a direct booking link, making scheduling smooth and hassle-free for everyone.